Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2004 Toyota Sienna van. I'm going to be showing you how to change the driver's side rear brake light bulb. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A hood prop, 1/4-inch ratchet, 1/4-inch extension, 10mm socket, and dielectric grease. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is an 1157 bulb. Okay, first thing we gotta do is open up the trunk. We gotta remove these two bolts, 10mm bolts. So we gotta pull this to the side and pull it out. So there's a little clip over here. You just gotta unclip it and then pull this socket out. So I'm gonna be replacing this lower bulb. This is the brake light bulb. It looks kind of burnt. So what you do is you push it in, you turn it to the left, and it comes right out. So now I'm going to be putting in my new bulb. But before I put the new bulb in, I'm going to put some dielectric grease on the bulb. So we'll be putting in the bulb. Okay, so now let's make sure it works before we assemble it. Okay, I'm using my hood prop to step the brake. As you can see, the brake light is working. Now I can reassemble the tail light. Okay, we're gonna be putting in the socket. You gotta just snap it in. Okay. Putting on the two screws. So that's how you replace a brake light bulb. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.